Dish soap is a product we often take for granted. It's something we use almost daily, without giving much thought to its remarkable capabilities. But have you ever paused to think about how dish soap works? What gives it the power to cut through stubborn grease and grime effortlessly? Is it all about chemicals, or is there more to it? In this video, we'll uncover the truth about dish soap's power, how it works, what makes it effective, and even some surprising uses beyond washing dishes. By the end, you'll gain a new appreciation for this humble household staple and understand why it's a scientific marvel hiding in plain sight. Welcome to the History of Simple Things, where we delve into the fascinating history behind the little things that shape our world. To understand the power of dish soap, we need to dive into a little chemistry. Dish soap is a surfactant, which means it contains molecules designed to reduce surface tension in water. These molecules have a unique structure. One end is hydrophilic or water-loving, and the other is hydrophobic or water-repelling. This dual nature is what makes dish soap so effective. The hydrophobic end of the molecule attaches itself to grease and oil, while the hydrophilic end bonds with water. When you lather dish soap on a greasy plate, these molecules surround the oil particles, breaking them apart into tiny droplets. These droplets are then carried away by the water when you rinse, leaving your dishes clean and shiny. The magic lies in the balance of these molecules. Too much hydrophobicity, and the soap wouldn't dissolve in water. Too much hydrophilicity, and it wouldn't cut through grease effectively. Modern dish soaps are precisely engineered to achieve this perfect balance, making them a go-to solution for cleaning stubborn messes. This molecular interaction is also why dish soap works in both hot and cold water. Dish soap isn't just about surfactants, though they are the star of the show. A typical bottle of dish soap contains a carefully formulated combination of ingredients designed to enhance its cleaning power. These include enzymes, preservatives, fragrances, and even colorants. Some dish soaps also contain antibacterial agents, which claim to kill germs on your dishes and sponges. While this sounds impressive, studies suggest that regular dish soap combined with proper washing techniques is just as effective at removing bacteria. The key lies in how you use it. Vigorous scrubbing, thorough rinsing, and air drying are essential steps for hygiene. So while antibacterial dish soaps are a nice bonus, they're not strictly necessary for most households. Dish soap's power isn't confined to your sink. Its versatile properties make it useful in a variety of unexpected ways. One popular alternative use is stain removal. A dab of dish soap mixed with water can work wonders on grease stains on clothes or carpets. Its ability to emulsify oils means it can lift stains without damaging it, making it a handy solution for last-minute laundry emergencies. It's also a fantastic tool for cleaning household surfaces. From countertops to stovetops, dish soap's grease-cutting ability makes it ideal for tackling stubborn kitchen grime. And if you've ever had to clean outdoor furniture or even your car, you've probably noticed that a bit of dish soap in a bucket of water can do the trick. Its gentle yet effective formula makes it safe for various surfaces, as long as you rinse thoroughly. Did you know dish soap can also be used to clear clogged drains? A small amount poured down the drain, followed by boiling water, can break up grease blockages. This is a cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemical drain cleaners. And it doesn't stop there. Gardeners swear by dish soap as a natural pest deterrent. Mixed with water, it creates a mild solution that can be sprayed on plants to repel aphids and other pests without harming the plants themselves. Despite its widespread use, dish soap is surrounded by some myths that need debunking. One common misconception is that using more soap means cleaner dishes. In reality, overloading your sponge or sink with soap can make rinsing harder and leave a residue on your dishes. A small amount goes a long way thanks to its concentrated formula. Another myth is that all dish soaps are created equal. While many products are effective, some are better suited for specific tasks. For instance, ultra-concentrated dish soaps are great for heavy-duty grease, but they might be overkill for everyday use. Similarly, biodegradable or plant-based options are better for the environment, but they may not be as strong on tough grease. Understanding your needs can help you choose the right product and avoid wasting resources. There's also a debate about whether dish soap can sanitize your dishes. While it doesn't sanitize in the strictest sense, it effectively removes dirt, grease, and bacteria when used properly. To ensure your dishes are as clean as possible, pair dish soap with hot water and follow up with thorough drying. As amazing as dish soap is, it's not without its environmental impact. Many conventional dish soaps contain synthetic chemicals that can harm aquatic ecosystems when they enter waterways. Surfactants, for example, can reduce oxygen levels in water, affecting marine life. Additionally, the plastic packaging contributes to waste, particularly if it's not recycled. The good news is that the industry is evolving. Many brands now offer eco-friendly alternatives that use biodegradable ingredients and minimal packaging. Refillable dish soap dispensers and concentrated formulas that reduce the amount of water used in production are becoming more popular. Consumers can also make environmentally conscious choices by opting for products with certifications like USDA, Organic, or EU Eco-Label. On the other hand, these plant-based surfactants are just as effective as synthetic ones, but break down more easily in the environment. By supporting these greener options, you can enjoy the power of dish soap while minimizing your environmental impact. Dish soap may seem like a simple household item, but its power lies in its chemistry, versatility, and thoughtful formulation. From cutting through tough grease to tackling stains and even repelling pests, it's a product that punches well above its weight. Understanding how it works and how to use it effectively can save you time, effort, and money. So the next time you reach for that dish soap, take a moment to appreciate the science and innovation packed into every drop. Dish soap isn't just about clean dishes. It's a testament to human ingenuity and a reminder of the power of everyday things. Let us know in the comments if you've discovered any unusual uses for dish soap. We'd love to hear your tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.